If you want to print out your diagrams, then all you need to do is go around onto the file menu and then click on print right here. Once you do this, you can see that you can select out certain pages. Let's say, for example, you just want to print from page 5 to 6, then you can print that out. Or you can print all of the pages as well. But in my case, I just want to print out this selection right here. So I'm just going to do a selection right here, and then you can go around onto file, onto print, and then click on selection only as well. So you can fit all of the diagram by one on sheet across or down, as you can see, or adjust out percentage to enlarge it by 120% and so forth as well. I'm just going to go around and choose A4 right here, and you can choose either portrait or landscape right here, and you can choose the page scale as well. So now, once you're happy with the options, you may want to experiment around as well on how everything turns out. You can press OK right here. So once you do that, it opens up your printer, as you can see right here, and you can choose your physical printer right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose around Microsoft Print to PDF, which will generate out a PDF file instead of printing a physical piece. So once you go around and choose out your printer, you can go around and click on print right here. And since it is generating a PDF file, I can go around and save a PDF file instead of printing a physical piece right here. So I'm just going to go around and say test print right here and click on save. And once it actually prints out, it'll actually look something like this. So this is how it looks, as you can see in my case, and then this is the page that will be printed right here. And that is how you can go around and print out your contents from diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.